Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make slow cooker honey garlic chicken noodle. And this is another slow cooker recipe. Okay, I just got chicken dice all ready to cut up. So I got red pepper. You can add all the other veggies like broccoli and carrots. I just got a little onion, and then let's get cracking. Okay, cutting the red pepper. I'm just so we've got onions. Dang, Lord. Anyway, I don't really upload until later. So I'm going to open the pack of the chicken. Undangle it nice. So we're going to add the chicken. So we're going to add the chicken. So there's still water in here, but so we're going to add. Now we're going to add the onion and red pepper. So we're going to do 1.5 cups of honey. So we're going to do 1.5 cups. So I'll put it in here. So okay. So what's next? I'll just use the same cup. Same. Okay, I think it's same cup again, 1.5 cups of soy sauce. So I just got dark medium soy sauce. And okay, next is ketchup. So where's 1 1/4 over here of ketchup. I just got tomato sauce, but it's the same thing like ketchup. So okay, so next is 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. So we put 2 in. So 1, 2. So we're going to do, oh wait, how many is cloves of garlic? But I just got crushed garlic. So I might just put 1. I might put a little bit in, 2. Oh, okay, we're going to whisk it all together. So we'll transfer to the slow cooker. So now let's all whisk it in. So we can transfer it to, so we're going to put the sauce in. So if it's okay. Okay, we're gonna mix. We're gonna put the corn starch in here and water. So I'm gonna put water in there. And we're gonna whisk it together, but okay, I'll get another whisk. Is in there. We can just whisk it together. think it's back running. So put that aside. So I'm just going to put let the cream just pick up this. Oh, that's oops. So stir then the cook now. So we're gonna leave it go now. So see what this was. So we're gonna put the biscuity in here. So I got it going. So the wood is boiling. We're gonna put biscuity in here. I can't put biscuit. So we're gonna put the lid back on and let it cook. So I just put the skitty pasta in here. So I'm gonna let this cook. It'll probably be done. Thank you for watching honey garlic chicken noodles. Alright, I'll put the link down in the description down below. Subscribe, post notification bell for more videos down the line. Running is out. Bye.